Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy app to your Fire Stick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, you have to go to search on your Fire Stick, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here, because we need to get the app called downloader. We'll be using it to get the other apps from the internet. So you just click on downloader. Here you go. And there is this orange application. That's the one which you need to get. But then after you got downloader, it's not over yet because we actually still have to set it up. So now to set up the application, we go to settings, open my Fire TV in here. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And in here, what you have to do is just locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to the list of applications, open it, and here's the downloader, which we just got to your device. But before actually using the loader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Droid TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. So let's say I will connect to Belgium right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it all together. And from here, just go to downloader and also open it up for your device. And then in here in the search bar, we just have to enter a code to download the application to your Fire Stick. So the code will be 863 and then 078. Once again, 863078. That's the code you have to enter. And then you just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually, it does not take long, but of course, it all depends on your connection speed. Then you just click install, and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed to your device. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. Then just go back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and here at the bottom you will find this new application. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.